Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. I'm having some issues with my Challenger. It's acting like it doesn't want to start. Act like it doesn't want to find my key fob, guys. I don't know exactly what's going on. But they talking about, you know, I might have to get a new key fob. Which I kind of figured that anyways, guys, because somebody stole my second key fob. So my car's just really just giving me a hard time to even like starting the car up. So I'm really kind of upset about it because I'm sick of Dodge. Like, I'm just so sick of them. I've already had to replace the USB ports because like they just stopped working, which was crazy to me. I just feel like Dodge, they just don't make they material good. Like, it's just, it doesn't last a long time. I'm very upset with them for that because, well, man, y'all gotta get it together. Like, there's people out here trying to steal Dodges and stuff like that. Y'all gonna have to step it up, man. Y'all doing basic stuff. That's why I like Chevys. You know what I'm saying? Chevy, they just give you all your options and stuff like that. And of course, I love my Kia. It's simple too. You know, everything is good quality. Dodge, they just not giving me good quality, man. They're just not giving me good quality. You know, like I said before, I have already had to change these ports. You know what I'm saying? Because they burnt out. That was just crazy to me. And I hadn't even had the car that long. So, Dodge, you're fired. Because I don't know what y'all got going on with y'all cheap materials, but y'all gonna have to step it up, man. I'm really getting over it. I'm over it, you know? I'm really over it. So Dodge, it's not really a good look right now, man. Y'all not giving me y'all quality, man. So now I gotta spend extra money to just, you know, get another key, because it's just acting like it doesn't want to start up, guys. And I want to say yesterday it took me almost like an hour to even start up the car. So not a really good feeling. I'm upset about it. You know, things happen all the time. Every day is something, it feels like. So I just gotta stay positive and keep moving, you know, just keep moving and grooving. But I'm really not liking this. I'm really not, guys. I'm gonna be real honest with you. I'm really upset with Dodge. So Dodge, y'all need to call me. Cause this is some bull, man. This is some bull. This is some bull, man. I don't know what y'all doing in them factories. I don't know who y'all getting y'all products from or whatever, y'all sensors or whatever, but man, it is trash. You hear me? It is straight trash. And I just don't appreciate it. So I just had to let y'all guys know that, man, what was going on, because it just seems like every day is something new. And I think that's just what everybody's life, you know. But I'm just trying to stay positive, good positive vibes. You know, I'm just trying to shake off the negativity right now because I'm just not happy. So I'm on the road, as you see. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Gang, look at this. I can't stop the car, bro. I'm so over it. I'm over it. Shit. Oh, huh? Oh, yeah, I gotta lock my door. That's how over it I am, guys. But I'm locking the door.
On Dodges, you know, the key fob is right there. So all you should have to do is get your damn fob next to your push to start button and apply the brake and then push, and your transmitter should connect to your car.
Oh, damn.
That motherfucker is not connected at all.
It's not connected, honey.
Oh, they came and picked it up.
My What's up, guys? As you see, I am chilling. I'm stuck. I wouldn't say I'm stuck, but my car still will not start, guys. So try not to be frustrated about it, but Dodge is just giving me a hard time. Pretty much, you know, my key the car just won't recognize the key fob, and I've tried everything. Push the key fob on the push to start, it still won't start. Remove the battery, replace the battery, and then like it was so crazy is my doors unlock and they lock. I can do the panic on my key, but it's just still not moving, guys. So shout out to my cousins, man. They came through, especially PJ, which he's at work. Give me one moment, I'll be right back. I got a phone call. But yeah, as you see, I had to eat a little bit, but I'm trying not to be negative about it, guys, but I feel like I be taking L's all the time, and it just be draining as hell, you know. But I usually don't eat DQ, but you know, I'm door dashing, so I had to make a decision. And this store, I don't know why, never give you no napkins or nothing, or no straw. So yeah, rough day for me. The plan is to get back over there and try it again. Hopefully it'll start back up. And if not, man, just go from there. For real, I'm just stressed, y'all. I'm stressed. I ain't even gonna caps y'all. I'm definitely stressed, so I'm just chilling, eating, trying to come up with a master plan, praying that this car just automatically just start up to where I ain't gotta deal with nothing. Until then, I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. What's up, guys? As y'all see, I got the car moved, and it has been a long day, guys. Like, I just would have never known this would have been an issue. Wow. And I'm gonna show y'all, if y'all have issues with your key fob and it's not detecting, all you gotta do, and I wish I would have known this, all you gotta do is place the key right here. That's it, and it will start, guys. So in the manual, it does say to do it like this, but it just didn't work for me. My key fob just was not detecting. So if your key fob is still not working, just set it close to your gear shift and it will start. So watch this. Key push button with key fob to start, and you know the manual says to do it like this, and it's supposed to start, and it's not starting. So how about we just place it right here, put my foot on the brake, and boom, guys. Wow. And another thing that I learned today that I didn't know is that the neutral is right here, and you pull it up and you can move the car. And to move it, to push it back, you have to really like push in hard, and that took me about an hour to push it back in, guys, because it went halfway and it started putting the engine light on my car because it wasn't locked in all the way. So I finally got that, guys. Experience about this key fob not detecting, guys. This is another option. I'm so happy, you know, I found this option because I was about to spend some money. Look, it's acting like I slept. So really what I'm gonna have to do is purchase a new key fob, because I think this key fob is damaged. So that's another option for you guys if you are having issues with your key fob. Just place it right here, guys. Oh, what's up, guys? It's been, I want to say, a couple of weeks since I got stuck at the gas station. I just want to do an update from the key fob situation. I haven't got my key fob replaced yet because I really wanted to test out the new option that I came up with. Really, I didn't come up with it, but I found out how to start my car. So just like I said, guys, boom, right there. Also, I think it also works if you put it in the cup holders, or also where the coins go, or your wallet, or whatever you put right here. Okay, so you just put it right there. We're gonna go ahead and step on that brake. Yes, yes, yes. That's what we want. That's what we want. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's what we want. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. Big shout outs to the new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Y'all keep pushing it up, 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 because I need it. I need it, you know. Not everybody can do this. Hell, I can barely do this. Everybody stay safe out there. Big prayers up to Texas and everything that's going on. Just around the world, man. Just around the world. Everything is just going crazy. Don't want to get into any political things either. But, you know, I'm watching. Y'all should be watching too. And taking heed of what's going on. And, you know, just making your next move your best move, you know. So keep it 100. You already know it's shawty too low. And I don't play. We're going to try to do this thing every day, guys. I'm going to try to do a video every day. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. But like I said, just bear with me. We're going to get this thing popping. I'm out. Peace.